5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Astronauts, Women on the Final Frontier is definitely in my top 5 favorite books. This is the story of the space race through the eyes of the women who made it possible for people like me. For readers who like learning about historical times and events, true stories, graphic novels, and stellar stories about inspiring girls and women.
Some people think that I have unique ways of looking at the universe and all its parts. When I look at the night sky, I see a series of interconnected planetary bodies and stars that tell a story. What do you see? For me, science and math are like poetry that tells a story of how the universe works. That means numbers don't necessarily look the same to me as they do to most people. I'm not the only one who sees math differently. In Very Bad at Math, the main character, Verity Nelson, also sees math differently. While she excels in everything else, debate club and band, making friends, you name it, she just can't figure out math class. If you want to find out how she turns things around and overcomes her math struggles, you should request this graphic novel, Very Bad at Math.
I love wondering about the universe too, Albert, but when it comes to graphic novels, my speed is a bit more whimsical and touchy-feely. I'm really loving Stargazing right now. It's about two best friends, Moon and Christine, who share their Chinese-American culture but are also very different people. This book has it all: friendship, feelings, a life or death struggle. Can Christine be there for her friend Moon in the way she needs? This book is a perfect graphic novel for older readers who like stories about friendship and all the struggles that can come with them. Don't forget to make your book request from Nashville Book Connection.